Have you ever dreamed of having six-pack abs but felt it was impossible without expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment? Well, think again. In today's video, I'll show you 5 easy, no-equipment exercises that you can do at home to sculpt those abs and get results fast. Whether you're a beginner or already on your fitness journey, these moves are designed to deliver maximum impact. Let's turn your dream into reality, right here, right now. Before we dive in, let me tell you why this works. Abs aren't just about crunches, they're about targeting all parts of your core, upper, lower, and obliques, to get that toned look. Stick with this routine 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll start seeing amazing changes in no time. Ready? Let's crush this workout together. We'll begin with a quick warm-up to get your blood flowing and your muscles ready. Let's do 30 seconds of high knees, followed by 30 seconds of toe touches. This will prep your core and reduce the risk of injury. Remember, warming up is key. This is the king of core exercises. Get into a plank position with your back straight and core tight. Hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your level. Pro tip: keep your hips level to avoid strain. Bicycle crunches are amazing for targeting your upper abs and obliques. Keep your movements slow and controlled for maximum impact. Alternate sides for 1 minute. Leg raises work your lower abs like no other. Keep your legs straight and don't let them touch the ground as you lower them back down. Do 10-15 reps. This one's a killer for your obliques. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist from side to side. Want a challenge? Lift your feet off the ground. This move doubles as cardio and a core workout. Get into a plank position and bring your knees toward your chest, alternating quickly. Push yourself for the full minute. Great job. Let's cool down with some stretches. Sit back into a child's pose for 30 seconds, then lie on your back and stretch your arms overhead. This helps relax your core and reduces soreness. And that's it. 5 simple exercises to help you build abs right at home. Remember, consistency is the secret to success, so add this to your weekly routine and watch the results roll in. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and comment below which exercise was your favorite. See you in the next video.